broadcasting transition. She has seen it all. And we'll speak well of her, not because she is gone, but because person. Martin, I want to tell you, I'd never seen her annoyed. Only you and those close family would know what Catherine looks like. She's angry. On behalf of the Royal Media Service, she also worked, and on behalf of the MD Wadhialo who was to be with us today, we celebrate Catherine. We celebrate her role at the Royal Media Services, where she walked in right in the middle of a transformative process that saw the growth of Citizen TV a few years ago. She not only worked as an anchor, but she also worked as the corporate affairs manager, and a very, very nice person